Why do some people hold Bitcoin for years, while others buy, panic, and sell at the worst moment? The difference isn't luck, it's understanding. Let's break down what long-term Bitcoin holders get that beginners usually don't. Beginners check the Bitcoin price every day, sometimes every hour. Long-term holders? They zoom out. They know short-term price moves are noise. What matters is where Bitcoin is heading over years, not days. Price goes up, price goes down. The network keeps running. Beginners wait for the perfect moment to buy. They try to predict tops and bottoms. Long-term holders understand something simple. No one times Bitcoin perfectly. Instead of guessing, they focus on time in the market, not timing the market. Beginners think Bitcoin is something you trade, buy low, sell high, repeat. Long-term holders think differently. They think in ownership, not trades. They care about self-custody, security, holding through volatility. Bitcoin isn't a game to them. It's an asset they protect. Beginners see Bitcoin as a number on a screen. Long-term holders see a global monetary network, a fixed supply, money without borders or permission. They understand Bitcoin as infrastructure, not just an investment. At first, big price swings feel terrifying, but long-term holders learn something powerful. Volatility is normal. They've seen crashes before, they've seen recoveries before, and they know panic usually hurts more than patience. The longer someone holds Bitcoin, the more they learn how it works, why scarcity matters, why decentralization matters. Understanding builds conviction. And conviction makes holding easier. Long-term Bitcoin holders aren't fearless, they're informed. They understand that Bitcoin rewards patience, learning, and perspective. And that's something every beginner can start building today.